Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will just be doing an organize two of my cabinets and drawers. In this cabinet, that's where I keep all of my Tupperware and plastic things. In this next cabinet, I just keep my children's lunch boxes and some noodle strainers and some other party serving plates. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get on into it. Okay, so what I first like to do is I like to get everything out of the cabinet and just set it all in the floor so I can see everything right in front of me and just kind of organize it. Put each Tupperware dish where the other ones match up, if that makes sense, and just keep doing this same process. Okay, so with the lids, I like to do the same thing. I like to just match each lid with the others and just put them in their own separate pile so I can come back to them and put them where they need to go. Okay, this white bin right here is one that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. It holds the lids really good, but I will say it is very flimsy and seems like it will be very easy to break. So with me having small children, I'm not sure how long it will last, but it is holding up the purpose I wanted it for at the moment. Okay, I will say that I like these better. They come in a pack of 2. I got these at the Dollar Tree as well, and it definitely holds the smaller lids so much better, and it just looks so good and fits it perfect. Like I said, this one seems very flimsy, but it is holding up the purpose, and it holds Okay guys, this is the after of my Tupperware cabinet and I love it. It is so much easier to get access everything that I need to. Okay guys, now we're moving on to the other cabinet where I keep my kids' lunch boxes and where I keep the strainers and some of the party trays that we use for birthday parties obviously and get-togethers with the family. But I'm just taking everything out like I did before, and then I'll sort through and organize and put them back the way they need to. I also got all of these at the Dollar Tree and it has done wonders to keep my kitchen drawers organized. as you can see, I have 5 of the small bins, and I have one that holds pencils, one that holds pens, one that holds clips, and one that holds sight words for my daughter, and then another one that holds just electronic cords. So for my last Dollar Tree bin, I will be using it for all of my different size measuring cups.